Eli, what are you doing? What are you doing, Eli? What's your shoe? You put the shoe on your feet or your head? What are you doing? Huh? What's Elijah doing? Put it on your head? What's Elijah doing? Silly boy. Okay. Say bye bye. Eli, you silly boy. What are you doing? You put that on your feet, not your head. Alright then. Say bye bye. Bye bye.